Starting with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficial. This is Mohammad Imran. I am a student of environmental engineering, and today I am going to present water treatment plant for Jamshoro city. This is table of content of my today's presentation. First of all, introduction. Water is the fundamental need of all living things. This report contributes to fulfillment of Sustainable Development Goal 6.1, which is achieve universal and equitable access of water for drinking for all. This water treatment plant is for Jamshoro city, and Jamshoro city has JPCL power plant in different commercial areas and universities. So the treated water is supplied for domestic, commercial and industrial use also. Now objective. Our objective is to provide safe drinking water for the people of Jamshoro city. Basic data for treatment system. Design period is 30 years. Average consumption rate was 135 liter per day per capita. The industrial and commercial use demand is 0.8 million liters per day. The average daily draft is 18.2 million liters per day with the safety factor of 1.5. The maximum daily draft will be equal to 27.3 million liters per day. The current population of the Jamshoro city is 84,000, but it will be equal to the 1,20,900 after 30 years. It is calculated by incremental increase method. Quality of raw water. There are parameters, given values and standard values, and their comparison. Only turbidity, dissolved oxygen, iron content, cadmium and copper content are beyond the WHO limits. Suggested location for water treatment plant. This is the Google map of Jamshoro city. On the left side of the Jamshoro city, Karachi Canal is flowing. This is the proposed location of treatment plant, which is very near to the Karachi Canal as well as Jamshoro city. On the basis of literature review, I suggest following units for the treatment plant. Design of units. Intake well. Intake well is used for collecting the water from surface sources such as rivers, lake or canals. It conveys the water further to the treatment system. This is drawing of proposed intake well generated on AutoCAD. Now design parameters of intake well. Only one unit is required for the treatment system. Their diameter equal to 8 meters, depth equal to 4 meters, velocity of water flows through intake well is equal to 0.7 meter per second, detention time maximum 10 minutes, number of penstock used in intake well is 2, the diameter of each penstock is equal to 0.5 meters. Gravity main. Gravity main is a pipe which connects intake well and jack well, and the water flows through it by gravity. That's why its name is gravity main. Now design parameters of gravity intake. Only one unit of gravity intake is used, whose diameter is equal to 0.8 meters, and the velocity of water flows through gravity main is 0.7 meter per second. Jack well and pumping stations. This is a structure surveys the collection of swamp well for the incoming water from the intake well, from where the water is pumped through the rising main to the various treatment units. This is the diagram of jack well and pumping station. Now design parameters of jack well. Only one unit is required for the treatment system. Its diameter should be equal to 8.8 meters. Its suction head equal to the 7 meters. Then the pump used for the suction is the 150 HP pump, and its suction depth of the pump is 3.12 meters. The diameter of pump is 0.6 meter. The velocity through which pump the water is 0.9 meter per second, and the rising main diameter is 0.6 meter. Now design of treatment unit. The aim of water treatment is to produce hygienically safe water in economical manner. The method of treatment employed depends upon the characteristics of raw water. Based on the raw water characteristics, following treatment units are proposed, which are aeration tank, alarm dosage, chemical house, flush mixture, slurry fluctuator, rapid sand filter, and chlorination unit. Aeration unit. Aeration is necessary to promote exchanges of gas between water and atmosphere. There are three purposes for which aeration unit is used. Number 1, to avoid the deficiency of oxygen. Number 2, to remove carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and other volatile substances which cause the odor in water. Number 3, precipitate the impurities of iron and manganese in certain forms. There are three types of aerator are used. Number one is waterfall, number two is cascade, number three is diffused air. Here for our project we propose cascade aerator with 5 trays. The spacing between the trays is 0.4 meter, while the diameter of central rising main pipe is 1 meter, and these are the cascades and their diameter and their ranges. Design of chemical house and calculation of chemical doses. The space for storing the chemical required for treatment of water is known as chemical house. Here we store alum, lime and chlorine for the minimum period of 3 months and generally for 6 months. Alum dosage. For monsoon season 50 mg per liter is used. For winter season 20 mg per liter, and for summer 5 mg per liter is used. Alum requirement. For 1 day 666 kgs is required. For 6 months 1,19,984 kgs, which is equal to 2400 bags of alum. The area required for storing these alum is equal to 80 meter square. The size of chemical house is equal to 10 meter by the length, 8 meter by the width and 4 meter by the height. Mechanical rapid mix unit. Rapid mixing is the operation by which coagulant is rapidly and uniformly dispersed throughout the volume of water and create more and less homogeneous single phase and multi-phase system. This is the diagram of rapid mixing unit which is proposed. Number of units required for the treatment plant is 1, whose diameter is equal to 1.6 meter. Retention time of water is 30 seconds. The speed of impeller proposed 120 rpm. The height of tank will be equal to 2.6 meter. The proposed water depth is equal to 2.37 meter. The power required for operating the rapid mixing is equal to 5.47 kilowatt. Number of blades used in rapid mixing is 8. The number of baffles used in the rapid mixing is 4. The diameter of inlet and outlet is equal to 250 millimeters. Cleary fluctuator. Cleary fluctuator is the combination of flocculation and clarification in a single tank. It has two concentric tanks where inner tank is served as flocculation basin and the outer tank is served as clarifier. This is the diagram of centrally driven Cleary fluctuator. Number of units required for our treatment plant is 1. The diameter of flocculator tank is 10.2 meter. The overall depth of fluculator is equal to 3.5 meter. The detention time is equal to 30 minutes. The diameter of inlet pipes is equal to 450 millimeter. The number of pedals used in the Cleary fluctuator is 5. The pedal rotation speed is equal to 4 rpm. The diameter of Cleary fluctuator is equal to 30 meters. The overall depth of the tank is equal to 4.7 meter, while the depth of water is equal to 4.4 meters. The slope of the bottom is equal to 8%. Rapid sand gravity filter. The rapid sand filters are comprises of bed of sand serving as single medium granular matrix supported on gravel overlying underlying drainage system. This is the diagram of rapid sand gravity filter which is proposed. For our treatment plant, 2 rapid sand filters are required. The dimension of rapid sands are 8.6 meter from the length and 6.8 from the width. The surface area of the proposed rapid sand filter is equal to 58.48 square meter. The depth of sand bed is equal to 60 centimeters, while the depth of gravel is equal to 50 centimeters. The diameter of manifold is equal to 1 meter. The water loading rate is equal to 5 meter cube per meter square per hour. The time required for backwashing is equal to 30 minutes. The duration of air wash is equal to 3 minutes, while the total quantity of air required for the backwashing is equal to 263 meter cube. Disinfection unit. Disinfection should not only remove the excess bacteria but also ensure the immediate killing even afterward in the distribution system. The chemical which is used as disinfectant must be therefore able to give residual sterilizing effect for a long period, thus affording some protection against the recommendation. This is the diagram of disinfecting units. On the calculation based, it is proposed that the 18.66 kg required per day. Storage tank. The distribution reservoir, also called service reservoirs, are the storage reservoirs which store treated water for supplying the some durations in emergencies. Underground storage reservoir. This is diagram of underground reservoirs. The proposed size of the underground storage reservoir is its length should be equal to 40 meters, width will be equal to 40 meters, and its height equal to 4.5 meters. The design of elevated service reservoirs. This is the diagram of elevated service reservoir ESR. The size of ESR is its depth is 4.3 meters while its diameter is 11.6 meters. This is the layout of water treatment system on the WattPro. This is the quality comparison before and after the treatment system. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.